Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Fiesta air filter. First, gather your tools, which typically include a screwdriver and the new air filter. Always ensure the engine is cool to the touch before you begin any work. You will find the air filter housing located under the hood, usually a black plastic box, often on the passenger side. Now, let's open the air filter housing. Depending on your Fiesta model, you'll either unclip several metal clips or unscrew a few screws around the cover. Gently detach any hoses or electrical sensors connected to the housing to allow for easier access. Before removing the old filter, take a moment to observe its exact orientation. With the housing open, carefully remove the old, dirty air filter. Take a moment to wipe away any leaves, dust, or debris from inside the airbox. Now, place your brand new air filter into the housing, making sure it sits perfectly flat and matches the orientation you noted earlier. A snug fit is crucial to prevent unfiltered air from entering. Almost done, carefully reattach the air filter housing cover, ensuring all clips are fastened or screws are tightened securely. Reconnect any hoses or electrical sensors you detached earlier, making sure they are firmly in place. Finally, start your Ford Fiesta's engine to confirm everything is operating smoothly. You've successfully changed your air filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.